In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install Ubuntu in Oracle VirtualBox. So you want to go to ubuntu.com/downloads and select Downloads Ubuntu. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Ubuntu desktop. So I'll be getting the latest version, which is the 24.042 LTS. Ensure that you have a minimum of 5.9 gigs or 6 gigs to store your downloads file. So I'm going to select download here. Now this download will take approximately 5 minutes, so I'm going to pause the video and resume once it's completed. Now once your download is complete, you're all ready to install. So here I'm just going to navigate to my Oracle VirtualBox. Then from the home screen, you can select new, or you could select machine at the top and select new. Provide a name that you want to name your server. Choose a directory where you want to store your images. Ensure you have enough space. So I'm going to select other, and then I'll be selecting my D drive. Then here's where you're going to browse for the ISO image that you downloaded with the Ubuntu 24. So it's in my data /downloads, and it's the Ubuntu desktop. Then select open and then select next. This should be Ubuntu 24. That's what I want my host to name. Specify your username and a password for your host. Then select next. Here you can choose how much of your RAM and CPU you want your VirtualBox to use. I'm going to set mine to 2 CPUs and increase the memory to about 4 gigs because I have 32, so that's fine. Then select next. Here you can create a virtual hard disk. I'm going to scale this back to about 20 gigs. Yes, I'm just going to set this to about 20 gigs. Then select next. Select finish to complete the installation. So now it's preparing the VM. Now from the menu, select an option. So I want to try or install Ubuntu. Now here I have the option to go ahead and install Ubuntu. So this installation will take about 10 minutes to complete depending on the speed of your computer. Let's maximize this window. And my installation has been completed. Now I can log in. Let me enter my password. And that's basically it, guys. So I'm going to just hit finish there, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.